Hi, welcome back. Another question of the day session. So let's try to see the question what exactly today. So choose option. How do you extend the target material of a new sales organization, plant and distribution from source material in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? So what basically the question sounds about. So how what are by using which process or parameter you are going to extend a material? Okay, that is all about. Let's try to see the options. Okay, so change item category, create sales document type, C change material, D create material, E change material type, F create material type, choose different industry. Okay, so certainly I don't want to confuse you. I didn't give this time none of the above option. Certainly one or two or three or four, all of the above. Any one of the answer might be correct. Let's try to, if you know the answer, let's try to comment in the description box. So anyhow, it's my responsibility to reveal the answer. Okay, if you don't know also. Okay, let's come back to my Udemy profile. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe all these courses. Currently, I'm holding 901, almost 98% positive reviews about my courses. I'm also a human being. Here are there some courses might not be understandable in future. I will try to correct that. But if you look at this, my successful course is 109 hours. It is near to 110 hours, 109 hours literally, including my YouTube tips also I have added, but not all. Please subscribe my channel for that. Okay, this is my channel. 726 videos of the content is there on SAP SD, on SAP specific, including my real-time questions and entry questions. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, you can like it. And if you really wanted to grow an industry in a better way, if you would like to catch interviews, you just try these two courses. If you are from SD, real-time idoc training, here I explained 5 scenarios. And getting master to write functional specification, this is one of the key course before getting into the industry. It's how it is going to create a problem for you if you don't know this process. I will explain in one separate video. And SD complete pricing concepts, and all these are the different courses available at my end. This is for simple logistics course after 2027 or 2030. Okay, you must know this master data. So see, 90% of uh, S4 changes or like ECC changes, there's nothing to fear if you know SAP. Just do this course, and along with this, you learn the changes. That's more than sufficient enough. This is for SD business process. This is specifically useful for your interviews. You can give it a try. Like that, 20 plus courses available. I'm just providing those links below of this video. Okay, you can give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. And more importantly, Jai Bharat. Love your country wherever you are. Thank you. Have a great day.